Pero mira, nada más con cuidado, carnal, porque esta me la regaló mi abuelo. ¿Sí?
Ajá.
Por eso nunca le he cambiado, por eso siempre...
No, sí.
Hey, wait.
It's a prank, it's a prank.
Alright, what up guys? So today we will randomly be selecting barbershops to go into and smashing barber machines, but it's only right if I give them and surprise them with a brand new kit that Babyless sent us today. Thank you to Babyless for sending me all this and sponsoring this video, but let's see if people actually get heated and see people's reactions. I also got my boy Arlen with me, so yeah.
I'm the bodyguard.
Let's see what happens. And stick around to the end of the video to see how you could win your own set.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? I'm not really here for any haircuts, but can I shadow you for like a second or something?
Yeah,
like honestly, I'm just trying to learn the game and.
Barber school?
Well, I want to go to barber school, but it's just I want to see what it's actually like to cut hair in person and stuff. And if I could shadow you a little bit, then that'd be perfect.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, man. This right here would be considered like a mid drop.
Okay.
Fade. Yeah, bro.
I always watch tutorials, but like I have no idea what it's like to in person, like to cut hair in person.
It's completely different, brother. It is.
And I always see them using like that's the magic clip, right?
Yeah, it's the magic.
So like, can I see it? Can I see what it actually?
These are my babies, though.
Those are your.
So, yeah, please. Be
that's the thing,
them,
like.
bro. What the? Hey, bro, seriously, bro. hey, bro.
No.
Hey, bro.
Hey, wait up.
Hey, bro.
Wait, it's a prank, it's just a prank, I swear, look. It's because I have, look, check it out. I'm sorry I broke your fucking clippers, but look. This is all yours. I'm sorry, dude, but I just wanted to get your reaction.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
So we got the clipper, the trimmer, and then the shaver with the whole bag. This is all yours, bro.
Bro, seriously,
yeah,
man?
for sure.
Damn, bro.
Dude, that's like the best reaction we had today, bro. Thank you
man.
so much.
Yeah, man.
Hey, that scared me, bro. I thought I had to use this piece right here.
I appreciate that.
Bro, what the hell? How do
man.
do barbers even cut with pistols in their fucking? Hey, what up, bro? So like, I'm basically shadowing people today, and I'm walking into shops asking if I could learn off barbers. Do you mind if I actually take a peek and sit back? I could be like on this side or.
I kind of been here right now, bro.
So like, it'll just take a couple of seconds to be honest, like. No?
Bro, yeah.
It's because I watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube and stuff like that, and I'm just like super fucking like eager to hold the machine, trying to like, you know? So. Hey, what's up, bro? So I'm basically shadowing people today. Like I'm walking into shops and I'm just shadowing people.
All right.
Can I like know what you're doing or what's going on? Like, is it fine if I shadow you today?
Yeah, that's fine. You trying to cut hair?
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna sit here for a little bit and see what's up. But the thing is, like, I basically watch just YouTube tutorials and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And that's how I'm learning off the industry. That's how I'm like learning how to cut hair and stuff. But I just figured like, why not go into like actual barbershops and ask if I could shadow some barbers?
Yeah, that's fine, bro.
The thing is like, so that's like what, like a low fade?
Yeah, we're doing a low fade right now.
Yes. Hey, ¿qué onda, papi? What's up, bro? Hey, I wanted to see if I could shadow you for a second. Así como shadow, like, a ver cómo cortas pelo, porque es que miro bastante videos en YouTube y quiero ver cómo se corta pelo como en persona.
Ya, en vivo lo quieres ahora, ¿o qué?
Sí.
Bueno, mira. Simón, si te ayudo, carnal.
Oh, muchas gracias.
Mira, este es un mife. Sí,
¿Y por qué le dejas el pelo acá abajo? Siempre,
esto
sí.
Porque, ok, mira, esto porque al último le meto la navaja.
Ok.
Pero ahorita estoy puliendo nada más.
Okay.
¿Me entiendes?
Sí. That's like the senior or the magic clip. It's like the limited edition one, right?
Yeah, they have different like versions of
Yeah, they're so much smaller in person. I'm just like, what the heck? Anyway, can I see what it actually looks like and stuff like that? That's it, like. Okay. I mean, not really. Nah, see, the thing is, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. I came in here, we actually collaborated with Babyless, and I'm here to give you like this whole new set. Check this out. I don't only have the clipper for you, I have the trimmer, the shaver, everything for you. Thank you for fucking just like being cool about that. That shit is destroyed. Let me see. Holy shit. Look at that. It's missing like the moving blade and everything. Let's check this out. Well, here's your old clipper. But he got all those, and I hope you fucking enjoy them. What machine is that? Is that like...
This is a Hero by Wall.
Okay. Dude, that's so small, bro. I've never seen this, like online, I never see trimmers like that small and stuff. Can I see what it actually looks like?
Yeah, man, for sure.
That's actually like...
Yeah,
this is a what? The Hero?
Hero.
This is...
Hey, what the fuck, bro?
That's like... that's a shitty ass machine, bro, for real.
Fucking, what the fuck, man?
Bro.
Man, dude, you fucked up my day, bro.
Holy shit.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man.
Holy fuck.
What the fuck you doing? You coming to my
Shit.
fucking house, shadowing my shit. Get the fuck out, man. How the fuck am I gonna finish it now?
Fuck, nah, look, me and Babylus actually collabed and we actually have this full set right here, bro. So like, I see you got a freaking corded ass clipper right here. Get that cheap shit out of here. We got brand new trimmer right here.
Ah, shit, get the fuck
And then we got
here.
the clipper too. We got the matching clipper. Shaver too.
What
The full set, bro. And then if you ever do house calls and stuff like that, I have the bag free so you can take everything in there.
Bro, I don't know if to be fucking mad or happy right now. So, man.
Thank you so much, bro.
You, man.
Honestly,
Appreciate
I'm so
you.
sorry. I didn't mean to just come in here and just fucking break your shit.
Nah, man,
but
because you come in here, you know, trying to...
yeah, no,
and then
my
you
bad.
break my clipper.
I know, no, yes, my bad, dude. But yes, here,
fuck yeah.
this is your bag, your trimmers, your clipper. Thank you so much, bro.
What the fuck? Appreciate
For sure,
you,
for
bro.
sure. You have a
Hell
fucking good
yeah.
ass day. Holy shit, that was fucking crazy.
Nomás estoy sacando.
Esa máquina, ¿cómo? Es la Magic Clip, ¿verdad?
Es Magic Clip.
Magic, es la Magic. A ver, ¿puedo verla de voladito?
Pero,
Es que, porque siempre quiero ver cómo se sienten en persona, ¿me entiendes?
¿cómo en persona?
Así, como cómo se siente, así como que cuando estás...
¿Oh? Ah, ok. Pero mira, nada más con cuidado, carnal, porque esta me la regaló mi abuelo. ¿Sí?
Ajá.
Por
Sí,
eso
sí,
nunca
sí,
le he
sí,
cambiado,
sí.
por eso
No,
siempre...
sí. Hey, güey. Hey, güey, it's a prank, it's a prank. Es una broma, güey. Es broma. Hey, chill. Hey, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. Hey, tengo... Ahorita, no te la... Pero es que ahorita, es que te la quebré, güey, pero es que tengo estas nuevas máquinas para ti, mira. Todas las tres.
Oh, shit.
Aquí están todas, mira, la máquina que te quebré, la clipper, trimmer, shaver, todas de para ti. I'm sorry, güey, estás sudando y todo, pero no, güey.
No, carnal, largo día, carnal.
Aquí está la foil. ¿Tú usas la shaver? ¿Usas la shaver tú?
Yeah, sí.
No, sí. La clipper que te quebré ya no tienes post Magic Clip y aquí está la nueva Babylus FX y luego la trimmer.
Trimmer.
Sí. Matching trimmer, so yes, güey. Te la mereces, muchas gracias, güey. I'm sorry, güey.
Bro, that fucking guy in the red socked me good, bro. Look.
Dude, you're bleeding.
I know.
And you're bleeding from here too.
Really? Oh,
Holy
I am.
shit. That was a crazier fucking reaction than I thought it was gonna be.
Official
Holy
MartyBlendz security guard, baby. Hire me.
For real. All right, what up, guys? So thank you so much for staying tuned throughout the whole thing. Now, as promised, I am giving away a full set to you guys. Now, to enter this giveaway, all you gotta do is 4 easy steps, which involve subscribing to this YouTube channel, follow my Instagram. On Instagram, you'll find a post about this giveaway, and all you gotta do is tag 2 friends and make sure to repost that onto your story. That's about it, guys. I wish everybody good luck, and I will be choosing out the winner November 9th, so stay tuned. Once again, thank you to Babylus for making this possible, and that's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.